Hello, welcome. Here we are going to see how Latex can change style of page. In Latex, the system assigns head and foot to each page. For example, consider this page. In this page, this portion is called head of the page that contains a small title. Actually, it repeats. In some cases, it repeats. In some other cases, it can change. That can be decided actually. Also, this portion contains page number. Some information about the page. We can say that in general, the head can carry some information about that page. Similarly, the foot part. This is the foot part of the page. Here, in this page, it is blank. You can see in the next page also, it's blank. In this document, every page is blank at the foot part. But the head part, you can see it contains this information. The document, you can see when we compare it with the previous page. Here the information is page number and is given it is given there, but in the next page it is the document. That way it varies here. But that kind of appearing content can be changed actually. And the page number here, you can see it appears on the left side, and here on this page it appears on the right side. And and these are the general idea about head and foot of a page. The style of the head and foot and the related matters are actually decided or changed using the command the slash page style, which is used together with one of the options, plain, empty, heading, or my heading. That means you can use one of these options inside the curly bracket. We are going to see what are the effects produced by these options. The plain option. If you use the plain option, the page head is empty, and the page head is empty, and the foot contains just the page number, centered with respect to the width of the text. This is the default for the article class. If no slash page style is specified in the preamble, you should know that the page style we give it in the preamble. But for the other option, empty. For this option, both the head and foot are empty. It's very important. Both head and foot. If you want to make it empty, the information provided in the head and foot, you can use this empty command, empty option. In particular, no page number are printed. But when we come to the heading type, headings option, this is the default for book class. The foot part is empty, and the head contains the page number and the name of the chapter and the name of the chapter section or subsection, depending on the document class and its options we give below, as given below. These options are given below. You can look at these options for various options. When the class is a book or report, The option is for one side, what effect produces, and for two side. But for article, for one side, left page, for left page, for one side, for left page it is empty, and but for one side in article class, for one side option, if the one side option is used, then the right page, on right page section will be the information printed. The section or the information about section will be printed. But for article class, if the option is two side, and if the article class is if the option is two side, for the two side option, what happens? In the left page, on the left page, heading part, it is section printed, and on the right page subsection will be printed. Likewise, there are changes depending on the classes and also the options, or like one side and two side. As it varies, the information printed on the head part will vary. But in the case of my headings, the option my heading, if you are using my heading option, this the same as the heading. Many features are same as heading for my headings, but except there are some exceptions. What are the exceptions? Except that section information in the head are not predetermined. The section information in the head are not predetermined, but to be given explicitly using the commands /mark right or /mark both as described below. So the use of these two commands are going to be described below. We are coming to that point, but now for the time being, I should understand that in the my heading there is a provision to make changes in the information provided by the heading option. Okay, then moreover, we can customize the style of the current page only using the command, customize. For customizing the style of the current page, how can we customize the style of the page? Using the command. For that you have to use this page style, this page style, and in curly bracket braces you have to specify the style. So this page style along with the style of the page specified can be used to customize the current page. Here style is the name of one of the styles which are given above, and these are the styles which are given that can be used at this price. For example, the page number may be suppressed. If you want to suppress the page number for the current page alone, only for the current page, if you want to avoid the page number, you have to use the command as this page style empty. Okay, and with the curly bracket / this page style curly bracket empty, close the curly bracket. Note that only the printing of the page number, only the current printing, only the page number, printing of the page number for that page will be suppressed. Next page will be numbered with the next number, and so on. So that means it can produce an effect only for the current page, not for the other pages. Next, coming to the heading decorations. It's a feature that you can declare the heading. One can declare the heading. The creator or the typesetter can declare the heading. As we mentioned above, as we mentioned above in the page style my heading. While discussing my heading, we have mentioned about the commands slash mark both or slash mark right. We have to specify the text to appear on the head of every page. Here we have the freedom to decide what should appear at the head part of each page. It is done with the following commands. Slash mark both. Here you can specify the left head command on the left head and also on the right head. But if you want to specify for the right head alone, then mark right. This command can be used. Mark right, slash mark right and right head. But you know, these two commands should be very carefully used. One is suitable for two-side printing and the other is suitable for one-side printing. And where it should be used, we are going to see that. Where the left head is the text to appear in the head on the left hand page, and right head is the text to appear on the right hand page. The slash mark both command is used with the two-side option. So this is important. It is used with the two-side option with the even numbered pages considered to be in the left hand. See, the even numbered pages are considered to be the left hand and odd numbered pages are treated as right. The right hand page. With the one side option, all pages are, but for the on the other hand, with the one side option, all other pages are considered to be the right hand. And so in this case, the command slash mark right can be used. This command can also be used with used to override the default head set by the default head already set by the heading style. Defaults can be cancelled. In other words, default information can be cancelled using any one of the two commands. Thank you.